Hi guys, today we'll discuss about the question number 9 of exercise 6.1. This is the last question of this exercise, that how many numbers lies between the square of the following numbers. See, if we ask about the first question, "12 and 3." If he asks us about how many numbers lies in between 2 and 13, what is the meaning of in between 2 and 13? That if there is a two consecutive numbers, how many numbers is in between these two numbers? Then we can say 13 minus 12 is one number. So in between that, the space is for the one number. But here they're saying that how many numbers lies in between the square of these two numbers. Like when we know that when we take the square of 12 square is 144. When we square of 13, that is 169. When we square them, it become 144 and it become 169. See how much is the difference between 144 and 169. There's a huge difference in between that. See, he says that how many numbers comes in between that. See, if we randomly do it, after 144 it should be 145, 146, 147, 148, 149, 150. Then you will go for 151, 152, 153, 154, 155, 156, 157, 158, 159, 160, 161, 162, 163, 164, 165, 166, 167, and 168. So it is how many? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 23 22 22 23 24. So it is 24 numbers. But for the exams point of view, you can't do like that. So what you will do, there is a formula for that one. So exams concern, we need to do is, we can't do like that. So what we will do is, when we have n square and n plus 1 square, it will be equal to 2n. So what is 2n? Here n is the first number, which is 12. So 2 into 12, that is 24. And we know that when we did it randomly, we get how many numbers in between them is 24. So how many numbers come in between 12 square and 13 square? It is 24. Now let's move on to the other question, that is 25 and 26. I'll do it here. 25 and 26. So for 25 and 26, see, 25 square and 26 square, so it will be equal to 2n. So n is 25. 2 into 25, you can check it like the way I did in the previous question, 50. So when we go for here, it will be 99 and 100, and it will be 2 into 99, which will be equal to how much? 118 and 198. It will be 198. But some teachers, I see the pattern, some teachers do it like that, 12 and 13. So they do it like 12 plus 13 minus 1. So that will be equal to 25 minus 1, which is equal to 24 numbers. Okay, but most authentic is that one in which you have 2n and you need to multiply it with 2n, and n is the first number, so 2 into 12 is equal to 24. So this was the last question of the exercise 6.1. Now we'll move on to the exercise 6.2.